Hello. We are going to walk through the process of purchasing the online access for WileyPlus, where you will have access to the online textbook and resources, and where you will complete homework assignments. Under Canvas modules, when you click on either the online textbook or homework assignments, you will be prompted to accept the terms of agreement. So let's go ahead and load WileyPlus, and we will accept the terms of agreement. Now you will only need to purchase the WileyPlus online only unless you prefer to spend more money to get the additional materials. Even though the price for the online only reflects $120, this price will be reduced to $80 plus tax after you enter the promo code SCC18. There is also, at the bottom of the screen, there is a 14-day grace period after which you will be required to pay for the online access. Let's go ahead and add the online only to the cart. And if you have a WileyPlus account already, you will go ahead and enter your information there. If you are new, you will create an account. Let's go ahead and create an account. You will fill out your information, and you will then enter your billing details. And don't forget, under the promotional code at the bottom, to enter the promotional code SCC18, SCC18. After you've completed the information and entered the promo code, you will hit the Continue button. On the next screen, you will be prompted to enter your credit card information. Even though on the next screen the price still will reflect $120, on the very last screen after entering your billing information, the price will be reduced to $80 plus tax. So welcome to Accounting 212. Good luck this semester.